WhatsApp is gradually rolling out a new feature that lets you create AI-generated profile pictures directly within the app. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, tap your profile picture at the top. Then tap Edit below your profile picture. A menu will slide up from the bottom, showing the new option, AI Images. If it's not visible, make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. Now tap on it. WhatsApp will offer suggested ideas for your profile picture that you can choose from. Or you can enter a custom description to generate your own unique image. Then tap the Send button. This feature lets you easily create unique, personalized avatars without needing to take a new photo. WhatsApp will then generate your AI profile picture based on the description, and you'll be able to preview 4 options and choose the one you like best. You can generate 4 more results by tapping the reload icon. Now, select the one you like best. Then tap the green OK button to confirm your selection. Your chosen AI-generated profile picture will be saved and set as your new WhatsApp profile photo. So that's how you can create an AI-generated profile picture on WhatsApp.